Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very different video. I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look. So this is kind of like my usual glam. This is actually like a couple of hours later because as I'm editing the video I've just realised I don't have an outro. I don't have an intro, so I'm filming my intro now like 4 hours later after my makeup. But I guess it's good because you can kind of see how the makeup lasts through the day, because this is literally like 3-4 hours after I filmed the makeup look. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, this is very nerve-wracking to upload because I've never filmed a video like this before and I feel like it's just really up close, so please be kind in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, love you loads and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I start off with my eyebrows first, and I'm just using this eyebrow pencil I found on a Korean website. I will leave it in the link down below. I just follow my eyebrow shape. I don't really like to do much to my eyebrows, and I know my eyebrows do not look the same, but remember, they're supposed to be sisters, not twins. Okay, and then I'm moving on to my face. So I love to use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. I feel like it just gives me such a nice base. It's really moisturizing. My skin type is slightly on the drier side, so I feel like this really helps with that. And then I'm doing foundation. So I mix two foundations. I use the NARS Sheer Glow and then the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r, and I mix them on the back of my hand. And then I just paint it on my face with a foundation brush. I find this so satisfying. I also use a brush to put it on because I feel like a beauty blender just absorbs it all, so I like to paint it on first and then I will go in with a beauty blender. Okay, and now I'm just blending that all in with my Real Techniques beauty blender. I spend quite a lot of time on blending just because I really want it to be into my skin and pushed in. And then I'm going in with my concealer. So I use the Too Faced Born This Way, and that's just kind of like to colour correct. So I use that one first under my eyes just to cancel out any darkness. So you can see that it's kind of like matched up to my skin colour. And then I will go in with the Fenty concealer, and that one is to brighten, so it's a lighter colour, and I'll use that to highlight points of my face. And I also reverse contour my nose, which is why I brought the concealer down to the side of my nose. And then I blend that all out with the same Real Techniques beauty blender. Sorry, I forgot to show you what I'm using. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder, and that's just for baking. So I bake the side of my nose, my under eyes, and basically everywhere where I concealed. I also use any of the excess product that's on the sponge on my eyelids, so it's kind of like a base for my eyeshadow. Does anyone else's eyelids like crease so easily? Like literally, my eyelids are the one thing that always creases. And then I just tap it around my whole face, so like any excess that's on here kind of like sets the whole base. Okay, and then I'm going in with my bronzer. So I use the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Cappucino, and I literally do it on my cheekbones, my jawline, my chin and my forehead. And then I will go in with the NARS palette that I'm using as a mirror, and there's a really cool tone in there, and I like to put that over the bronzer. I just feel like it adds a little something to it, you know. Okay, and now blusher, my favourite part. So I love using this Glossier cream blusher in the shade Dawn. I feel like it's so cute, especially in the summer. It just adds that pop of colour, and I think a cream blusher is just so pretty because it really sits into your like makeup. It's not sitting on top of it, it like blends in. And I put it on my nose as well. And then using the same NARS palette, I use the blusher just to go over and set it. I don't know, does it look crazy on the camera? I can't tell. It looks good in real life, that's all I can say. Like, but like I said, I get a big brush and I blend it all in afterwards, so it might look crazy now. I promise it will all come together. Okay, and then with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I like to dip it in the same L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder and just bake underneath where I've put the bronzer and the blush. I feel like it just cleans up the area. And then I'm going in with highlight, so I use the NARS Albatross highlighter. It's a really nice golden colour, and I just use this Real Techniques fan brush to apply that on the high points of my face. And then I use my pinky finger to apply the highlight onto my nose. And then using this very beaten up Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Yeah, so I literally use burnt orange and raw sienna. Literally do like the windscreen wipers, just, you know. And then I might like go in with this one, and then because it's a little bit darker, and I just put it on the end and like drag it out. Yeah, using this palette, it's so dirty, I feel so embarrassed. I just use the two shades and I blend them into my eyelids. It's just to like kind of create a colour and a shadow. Okay, so now I am curling my eyelashes. I feel like this is a really important step for me because my eyelashes are so straight, so I really need to curl them. And then I go in with my mascara. So the mascara I'm using is the Loreal Double Extension Mascara in Extra Black. And this is just priming my eyelashes for before I apply lashes. Oh my god, I just realised I keep my mouth closed when I put mascara on, and I swear everyone has to like... Does that mean I'm like weird? Does that mean I'm quirky? And while the eyelashes are drying, I go in with my Glossier Boy Brow Gel. Oh my god, who is she? It's me with eyelashes. I feel like eyelashes just change up the whole look, and they really add a little something something. So now it's time to do my lips. So I'm going in with this Wet n Wild lip liner in Brandy Wine, and I'm just lining my lips. I like to use like a darker colour on the outer part of my lips just because they're slightly darker. And then I go in with a second lip liner, which is a Sephora gel lip liner in the shade 15 Rosewood, but I think this one is discontinued. And then my final lip liner is this Max Factor Brown and Bold lip liner, and I just basically go over the rest of my lips with it and fill it in because I don't really use a lipstick. And then in the centre of my lips, I go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. I feel like this just makes my lips look a little bit bigger and adds a little pop of pink. And then with a big powder brush, I just like to go over everything and just blend it all in together so there are no harsh lines and everything just looks seamless. So that is essentially my makeup look done. I'm going to do my hair and I'm going to come back and then show you the finished product. Okay, so I've curled my hair like very quickly and just very loosely, so I've gone for this like relaxed curl look. Put some earrings on. These earrings are from Naked, for everyone asking, you know, NAKED. KD, that brand. They're really cute and they're so lightweight, like they're not heavy at all. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Oh, my eyelashes, are they popping off? No. I will leave all the products that I used down below and all my shades and everything like that. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!